Banana split healthy breakfast recipe. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips and suggestions how to live a healthier and a happier life using natural methods and remedies. This recipe is healthier by adding a fabulous spice. They give as many factors to our body as it is antioxidant and anti-cancer. And try this banana split in a jar, double as containers for making the banana splits. Just put the ingredients into the jar, shake, bake them in the oven till golden brown, then remove and top with ice cream and peanuts. Filled with the tasty oats, cinnamon, dark chocolate, and bananas, the combo is downright delicious. While my favorite recipe is vanilla. Here are the required ingredients. 1 tablespoon whole wheat flour, 3 tablespoon old-fashioned oats, 1 small banana, sliced, 1 2-cup vanilla plant-based ice cream or flavor of choice, 1 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon dark chocolate chips or chunks, 1 tablespoon peanuts, chopped. Instructions. First, preheat the oven to 350 F2. Add flour, oats, cinnamon, brown sugar and chocolate chunks or chips to the bottom of a 2-cup jar. Third, add sliced banana and shake the ingredients well. Fourth, place the mason jar with the ingredients in the oven and bake for 15 minutes, until slightly golden brown. Fifth, remove from the oven with a potholder. Sixth, while warm, top with plant-based ice cream and chopped peanuts. Last, serve and enjoy the delicious breakfast. Stir in garlic and cook until fragrant, about 1 minute. Stir in remaining 1 tablespoon cornstarch until garlic is coated, then stir in broth, remaining 2 tablespoons brown sugar, remaining 1/3 cup soy sauce, and sriracha. Bring mixture to a simmer. Add broccoli and simmer until tender, about 5 minutes. Season sauce with salt and pepper if necessary, then return steak to skillet. Garnish with sesame seeds and green onions before serving. Watch our other healthy lifestyle videos below and find out pizza omelet recipe. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. And remember, visit our website healthylifestyle.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below.